Hello, I'm Rob Westervelt, Editor-in-Chief of IHS Chemical Week, and welcome to the 2014 IHS Chemical World Petrochemical Conference. And I'm delighted to be joined by Cleantho Leaite, Commercial Director with Braskem.
Hello, Rob. How are you doing?
Good. Thanks for joining us today.
Very well.
Clearly, the big theme here is obviously the impact of unconventional energy and shale that's had on chemical markets, focusing mainly on North America, as coming from Braskem. What's the view from, I realize you do have extensive operations in the U.S., but what's the view from Brazil? What is the impact of this, what impact will this have on Brazil?
I think for Braskem entities, the impact is twicefold. Yeah. First, we are implementing a new project in Mexico where we are building a 1 million ton per year cracker and 3 polyethylene plants. Well, by implementing this project, we are going to be the first large-scale new capacity of this new wave of investments. And we are coming in by the end of 2015. And so we are going to come in ahead of the pack. And that will be very interesting for our business because polyethylene market is getting tighter and tighter. Operating rates are higher and higher. And we will be coming in on a very nice moment when raw material prices are very, very attractive here in North America. And when I say North America, it's because Mexico has the same pricing dynamics as the USA. Well, regarding our USA business, we are very strong in polypropylene in the USA, and we are considering also an investment on a cracker and polyethylene lines in West Virginia. Has been announced together with the Odebrecht group. We are looking very seriously at that. We signed yesterday an agreement with what will be our main supplier of ethane in the region. So we are getting prepared to do an additional investment here in North America, in the U.S., a little bit later. But that will serve to support the Braskem Group in its view of being a leader in thermoplastics in the Americas.
Okay. And what about the impact on Brazil? What has it done to competitiveness in that region, and what's the prospect for possible or likely imports?
Okay, Brazil has a different dynamics from what happens here in North America. Brazil has a different matrix of raw materials, but it also has a different dynamics in terms of taxes, import tariffs, etc. So what we think is our business in Brazil will be still continue healthy and a very interesting business to serve the Brazilian and the southern Latin America region. And our businesses out of Mexico and out of USA will be some very good businesses to serve the upper side of South America and the USA and Mexico themselves. So we see that by having these multiple sites in multiple regions, we will have a mix of raw material feeds, a mix of ambience with different taxes dynamics, tariffs dynamics, and the Brazilian entity, Braskem as a whole, will benefit from this variety of production places and variety of products.
Okay. And you mentioned the project in Mexico with ESA. I guess primarily, Mexico is a huge importer of petrochemicals. So
yes.
Supply there, does that primarily stay within Mexico?
Yes, this project in Mexico is advancing real well. Yep. We are reaching now in March approximately 68% of advance in our construction. Yep. And we're ready to start in Q3 2015. And the target is mainly to serve the Mexican market, but obviously when we come in with a big capacity like that, we will be exporting for a while into South America and eventually into USA and Europe. But our main target is really to occupy a good space in the Mexican market. And South America as a whole keeps growing very healthy rates.
Okay. A final question today. You mentioned the West Virginia project and the ethane supply agreement. Where does that project stand today in its review process, and what are the the hurdles, and what should we be looking for over the next year or so?
Well, this project is, we have just decided on this moment on securing the raw materials, doing some preliminary contracts to guarantee the raw materials. So we are about to enter into some preliminary engineering so that sometime next year we can take final decisions so that that complex is running by 2019.
Great. Cleantho, thanks very much for joining us.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.